Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Ankush here from Alif Consulting. Welcome in our Azure Data Service case study. In this case study, we will be going to talk about how customers have used Azure Data Services to do the data warehousing and then integrating the data warehousing with their application. Well, here is the agenda of this video or this case study. We'll be we will be going to have an overview of this customer, what are the challenges they were having, what are the solution design is, and then how they see a rapid operation growth, how they are doing the data integration with the other services, how they are empowered with the data analytics by using the Azure data services, and then what is their future goals are with the Azure data services or the data warehouse or the other services which they are using in their organization. Now let's understand about this customer. So this customer is established in 2008, and in last 16 years, customer have seen a rapid growth into the customer acquisition. The customer is the retail pharmacy chain with more than 300 stores across the country, and they have around 4,500 employees. Business is currently making trade in the omni-channel space. The customer also run 24 into 7 pharmacy store online and offer wide range of product to the customer. Now, what are the challenges they were having, right? So one of the biggest challenge for this customer facing was facing, especially with the onset of the pandemic, right? That was that data reside into the silos across the multiple system without a integrated view. Bringing relevant intelligence to stakeholder involved multiple handoffs and multiple interventions. As a result, it took longer to channelize the data into an insight, and this affect operation, merchandise, and the marketing, right? So the organization choose to deploy Microsoft Cloud services to streamline the data integration process. The ease of use, costing, transparency, and security made Microsoft Azure a clear choice. The implementation of Azure Data Lake began in March 2020 and was completed into the 3 months. After stabilizations and optimization, adoption was started into November 2021. The company have also implemented the Azure Databricks and Power BI for in further integration of the application and the data. Now this is how their solution design is. So if you can see, they were using the Databricks, they were using the Power BI, they were using the Cosmos DB, and then they were having a multiple data sources, which is basically ingested into the Databricks by using the Event Hub. Now at the same time, the monitoring was done by using the Azure Cloud Native Service called Azure Monitor, and then there was a separate database was created to monitor the all the services and their utilization and their resources. Now, what is the benefit they get, right? So, the one of the benefit they get is a rapid operation. With Microsoft services onboarded, there was a significant change into the data operation for the customer. Previously, when an auditor needed data, the technical team would fetch it from a different system, merge it, and forward it to the auditor, right? The such requests take 4 to 5 days to get completed. After which the organization got the update on the inventory status of its store across the 3 states. Now everything can be done within the half an hour to complete a audit request, right? So if there is a finance team need or auditor need any kind of data, financial finance team use the cube of data lake, and in half an hour they can complete their audit request. An auditor can request or now merge up to 20 requests with ease, and the organization can have a quick view of the stock at the it stores. So it's making very rapid operations. It's making the ease of operation for the customer as well. The integrations, right? So by using the cloud native services, right, The another benefit they get is, right, so before integration was managing two data stream, offline data from the ERP system and the online data. The data was sourced from the different system and then merged for the stakeholder consumption. The entire process basically took 3 days, was a was a ad hoc and manual in nature, which is subject to risk and the error. It's also spelled unnecessary delay in the decision making process. An important area that suffered due to this was the customer retention. By leveraging the Azure Data Brick, the organization have created omni-channel dashboard, and currently the required data is provided in a manner of or in a matter of minutes. As a result, organization can take quicker, better quality decisions, provide a edge of agility to the business. Customer retention dashboard is refreshed 5 times in a every day for the consumption of omni-channel stakeholders. The organization also use Databricks to build the employee scoring and the incentive model for HR on the top of Data Lake. Empowered with data analytics or empowered data analytics, right? So Microsoft have served as a one-stop solution partner for all the data and analytics services for the customer. On a daily basis, the data analytic team received multiple requests from the promoter and the directors on the analytic business and business intelligence and the data extraction. Traditionally, this was done through a lengthy process of a multiple hands-off and and manual activities. With Data Lake, the process has become very simple and reliable at the every step of data sharing. Customer create complex analytic output in a less time and has a lens that facilitates a single unified organizational view. The omni-channel has created a dashboard using the Power BI, Data Factory, and the Data Lake, while the marketing team have established customer cohorts leveraging the data brick. Microsoft has helped the data analytic team to grow into the significant way. Now, what are the future goal customer was having? So, customer have lined up a wide range of user case for its integration platform for 2022 to 2023 and beyond that time. It is currently working on a store analytic using the data lake for deeper analysis of inventory and supply chain. Another interesting use case that organizations working is on using the sensor in store to capture the data on the equipments and run the analytics on it to be able to manage the temperatures better and building the forecasting models. There is also plan to capture the data from prescriptions and create the customer profile. So these are the future goal which customer was having after doing the plenty of work on Azure by using the Azure Data Services. Well, that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please click on like and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and feel free to reach us if you have any questions. Thank you.